one, when we are going to talk about the web technology, so the point number one is that without internet we can't create, we can't run any web application, right? So when internet evolves, okay, internet started, the first starting is maybe, and now you have heard just few years before this Jio was giving free of cost internet, right? What is the reason behind that the Jio was giving the free of cost? Why it happened? Okay, and what are the levels are there? Okay, so I'll just give you a brief idea on this. Actually, internet is free. It's not, there is no charges involved for internet. This third party company, they will be only charging. So might be you have heard this people, whatever the XYZ company, they were very much busy to fix their cable into the sea, right? You all know very well, we required to fix the internet cable into the sea, right? So when it's fixed, so what happened in the entire sea, all the cable, all the country cable is the connected in this, okay? So due to that, there are three types of company that is called as tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 company, okay? And in this, who are those the tier 1 company, who are their tier 2 company, who are the tier 3 company, okay? So the question, this question will arise. So the Jio has become now tier 1 company, the Reliance Jio is the tier 1. Tier 1, those companies are there who has fixed the cable into the sea. The tier 2 company who take from them, and it's again it will be divided into the each state. Tier 3 company will be those in the local areas. Like tier 2 company will be wherever you are seeing the like tower, they are fixing the tower, right? Those are tier 2 company. And tier 3 company, in local area you will find the many like ACP, you will see the other many, Ticona, this all are 3 tier company. So they will buy from them and they will sell it to us in the form of package 1 GB, 2 GB, 1 Mbps, 10 Mbps, okay? So this is actually internet works. I'll show you one map. You can see here on the map. Can you see that this is the submarinecablemap.com. So if you want to see that how the cable is connected in entire world, so this will give you a clear idea how the internet is connected. Have you just try to tracer, use the tracer command on Windows, and most of the requests from India, whenever we request to search google.com, this google.com or any website, most of the 97% website when we search on internet is goes through the Mumbai. You just, when you search tracer command, you will get to know that. Why it is going through the Mumbai? Because in all the connection is from the Mumbai sea. So recently maybe you have heard in Chennai also, in Tamil Nadu, they have fixed the cable. So even to connect Andaman Nicobar, right, and other state, so even that now the connection, few connection also, the connection request will go through the Chennai. So if you take a look on that, so let's see that. I'll show you here in India. Where is the India? Okay, we are here. You can see here. We are here, India, right? You can see here. So I'll show you that. So you'll find out. See that in India, this is the how the cable is connected. You can see here. This is the Mumbai area. You can see that from the Mumbai they have connected. Okay, and I'll make it bigger size. So you can see there, right? So here, this is the Mumbai. where we are giving the C, from the C the cable is connected. So you can see that from one country to another country is via C it has connected. You can see here, even here we have connected from here to Sri Lanka. From here, that is the, I think it's probably Tamil Nadu only, yes. So hope probably it will be Tamil Nadu. Okay, so you can see that very few, I hope this will be the Kerala part. So you can see here how the cable is connected. So these all lines, whatever you are seeing, this is the cable inside the sea. So due to this, we get the internet through whenever request goes out from the India or even within India. So what happens, if it goes the request from outside India, it will go to this sea level. So from this, the request will go to the other country, and then we get the response in fraction of second. That is the millisecond, fraction of millisecond, you can see, right? So recently in the Chennai also they are fixed. You can see that through the Bay of Bengal also the wires are connected. So this how the internet is spreaded over the world. You can see that all the dotted lines wherever they are, so this all are wired where it get connected. You can see here the entire world how they are connected. So you can see that inside any country it will not show any wire, because that is the internal, it will be different. This is the main thing which they connect. So the moment this, all the companies whoever fix the cable near the sea, they are the tier 1 company. So tier 1 company, there is no charges to get the internet. How much bandwidth they want, they can get it free of cost. Only the cost involved for fixing the cables employ in case suppose due to whale or some shark the wire get cut. So we need the maintenance for that. So for that purpose the charges are there. So whenever any country, if they fix the cable inside the sea, at least a life of the cable will be 25 years. So 25 years this cable will be, there is no maintenance required also. So between that, if cut is there, then only they have to go and they have to fix this. So these are the tier 1 company. So when you go to the tier 2 company will become your like BSNL. Then it will become your even tier 1 and tier 2 both BSNL is there. Then is this Tata, yeah, that is also tier 1 company. Okay, and you can just go through that and you can read out the more details. It will be available on this website. So submarinecablemap.com, and you will get the idea how these cables are get connected. So even if you open a command prompt, and I'll just use tracer.google.com. So you can see that the moment you will get the tracer.google.com. So you can see here the first request is going to Google. So for 1 millisecond it took D-Link router. So what is the router? That is our college router, our local router. From the local router it has gone to the firewall. Okay, then firewall it is going to request to the service provider. Okay, from the service provider, okay, so you can see the request how it is. So now you can see the trace is completed, right? So you can see here next request has gone to Airtel. Next, if you want to take a look on this each IP address, you will get to know that, and see finally we are getting the response from the Google server. So let's see that each IP address where it's, so this is till here it is the locally. Okay, let me see this, what is the IP address. Okay, so just copy, and to know what is the IP address, just you type what is my IP address.com. So we'll just take a look on the each IP where it is located. So you can see that my IP is 43.242. You can see here 43, it has gone to our IP. Then the service provider, this is the service provider. Even you can check this IP address from where it belongs. Even Okay, so you can see here, right, this IP address is, it has come to static IP address and it is from Asia zone. Okay, so like this, if you see the each IP address, you will get exactly from where the connection is going through and how it is there. So if you search latitude and longitude, see that the connection now request, see the previous request, what you saw, this IP address is the Mumbai IP address, right? So now the request has gone to US. You can see here, right? So United States, right? Now the request gone to US, and then after again we are getting the response from their server, and finally the Google website is opening. So this how you can see the traceroute command. Any website, whenever you open, this much the process will be happening in internally, right? So this is how actually internet works, and we are get connected through the world, right? So it's very, you can see here 42 millisecond it's took, right? So maximum millisecond. So 42 millisecond we are getting the request and connected with the US. So think how fast it is there, and the request has gone through the Mumbai only. So you can, so like this you can find out any website whenever it's done. Most of the case, 90%, more than 90% the website, whenever you ping any website, it goes through the Mumbai zone only. So this how actually internet works, and actually it is why chargeable, because they have to maintain the towers, they have to maintain the other cables, and so many things are here. So they want to maintain those services. So for those services only it's a chargeable. So that's why it is for per month basis or whatever. And that due to this reason only, Jio gave to all Indian customer free of cost internet service for 1.5 years, because last 5 years they were spreading the wires inside the sea. Once it is done, they want to test, they tested, it was successful. Now we all are using internet with high speed, right? So this is the actually how the internet works. And when the website, how the web has come, how the client server concept has come. Okay, so when you talk about the normally about the client server, so in defense, actually when it was when you can read the history, so what happened that time, they want to send one mail in defense from one machine to another machine. So due to that the invention started, and then it came to the picture and entire world now you're using. And early days till 1990s only it is started, and those days whatever the website we make is a normal with HTML. So that's why those days the website was called as it's a static website. Now we build, and those days it was very easy to make website because you will be knowing only one programming language, that is